What's up, my beardies? We're gonna go on a ride to Leavenworth. Surprise my dad for the shits and giggles of it on Thanksgiving. Ready, baby? Wish me luck, guys. Let's hope I make it. Pockets. Keep my butt cheeks warm. Damn, my sound wasn't working. What the hell? Hold up, wait a minute, let me put some pepper in it. What happened? Oh, it paused on me. Alright, whatever. Block these up so. Right there. So far, so good with it. I'm impressed. Besides my ass cheekers fucking cold. Oh shit. See how to slow down some. Can't keep up with baby. All that damn trash out here. It's crazy.
And this is the exact moment I realized I might be walking a 125cc dirt bike on Thanksgiving.
What the fuck? What happened? It just shut off on me. It just died. It just straight up, it just died. Nothing, I don't know. It was doing good. I don't know, that was weird. No, it's got gas. Oh, no way. Oh, don't tell me I just burnt up my plug wire, man. Oh, no.
Yep. Spark plug wire and exhaust. That'll do it.
Wire was touching the exhaust and it's melted. I mean, like, not... I don't know if it's all the way through. Oh no, man, I bet that's what did it too. Fuck. No way. Oh, dude, that'll suck ass, bro. Oh no. But that's what happened too, cause it's just sitting, it was sitting right there like that. Oh no. Fuck. Man, that's gonna suck. I need something to keep it the away from it. Hey, give me my wire cutters. I'm just gonna cut part of this fucking wire off the headlight. Dude, that's crazy. I was just sitting there cruising and all of a sudden it just said, bleh. And I'm like, what the fuck? Oh man, let's hope that's what the issue is. I hope.
Nothing like a Thanksgiving roadside repair, featuring wire cutters and hope.
Somebody's gonna come by. Is everything okay? No, I was just melting my wires together. That's all I was doing. Come on. Reach your freaking fat fingers around there, buddy. At least until I make it to my dad's house and then I can zip tie it. That should work for now. I hope. We'll find out and see here.
Yes, she lives. We're back in business.
It's a good thing we brought a trailer, ladies and gentlemen. I can say my butt cheeks are pretty warm. In my ass pockets. Alright. Let's try this again. was wondering what happened until I looked down like, oh shit. Everything's new on this bike, so I shouldn't have an issue. The only thing that's not new is the motor. I mean, it's new to me. It's new to the bike. So, I mean, there's... Look, there's a whole ass boat. There's a whole ass boat. There's a whole ass boat. And a squirrel. What the fuck? Why are you gonna dump a whole ass boat down here? Like, what the fuck? See, this is why one of these days, eventually, this road is not gonna be for people to be back on. You'll be lucky if it's even able for the people that live back here to even get on. They'll have to take the highway to get back down here. Because of people that just want to dump trash and act fucking ignorant. It's stupid. Why you can't have nice things because of dumbasses? Good Lord. At the dump. It's not even that expensive. Shit, where I live, it's all free at right now, but oh, we're almost to the highway. So far, so good. But it's a little nipply. We'll be alright. I'm gonna be sitting inside for an hour or two before my ass up. plate fell off. Oh, damn! That's what she stopped and grabbed. Good job! it, guys. Almost got the rabbit. What are you doing down here in your Winnebago? Out on my fingertips, I can say that. Whoa! If I can make it to where we parked at earlier when I started the video, I think that's where I'm going to stop it at. Let's see what time it is. 4:30. Yeah, I'd be cutting it close on trying to get it home before it got dark. There's a nice sunset, baby. Hell yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, my beardies. Daddy's had enough. My fingertips are fucking done for. Alright, beardies, this is where we started our video, so this is where I'm gonna end it. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed. I froze my ass off making this video for you guys, so peace out, my beardies. I love you guys.